All right, we're letting this top 80 warm up. We're gonna give this thing a quick flight. This is the one where I've casted the parts. It's way less than ideal, but this will allow us to do proof of concept. All I did was take a bunch of scrap aluminum, throw this thing together. So I'm going to redesign a couple of them just based on what I saw on assembly, just to strengthen the frame. I'll talk about that later. Right now, I just want to get this into the air. Kind of got hung on that cage. We're setting too far forward. It kind of got hung on the cage. I don't want to go very far because I don't trust it. Ooh, that water looks dark. I was gonna bring my kayak down here and kind of fly around, kind of putt around, but I'm glad I didn't, because the water's so nasty looking. So, same thing that I noticed on the other one is these swing arms are too far apart and they're kind of pulling away from each other as I fly. It's putting a lot of stress on the frame, so we're going to redesign the frame based on that. So like I said, I do not want to spend too much in the air because I don't know how much this frame can really handle, and I don't want anything to go wrong. Staying kind of low over the water. It's not deep enough there, but maybe it'll be deep enough to kind of stop my impact if things fall apart on me. Yeah, so what I want to do is, instead of having the swing arms just attached to the front frame like they are now, is set up a connection so that the stress on the frame is distributed between the front and the back frame. So a connection that would connect both of those together, like most paramotors have. Like I said, we're just going to do a couple turns. I don't even have a reserve. Not that I would need one flying this low. That's why I'm not going to go very high. Because if something goes wrong, I don't want to be thrown around. Alright, that's good enough for me. We tested the frame. No need to take any more chances. Happy with what I felt. I kind of know that the frame is too far apart, like the swing arms are too far apart. So all those motor mount support frames, what we'll do is shorten those, and we'll make that swing arm connection connect both the front and the back part of the frame. And it, on that forward launch, it kind of got hung. on the frame itself, launching it up. So we got to smooth that frame out, which I knew could happen because of how I did those connections just to get them made. I didn't have any more 3/4 inch tubing to do the hoop, so I took the hoop segments and put little 3/4 inch pieces on the end because I didn't have any that were long enough to actually roll out and make the tube. All right, that's good enough for me for that one. Do it in segments like I did this one. Already got that. So again, janky paramotor there, but at least our test was complete. So now we'll pull the pap out. And we'll go get a fly in on something we can actually trust.